street. He's called the hidden poor, for he's the master criminal who can defy the law. He's the Baphomet of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity's not there.
McCavity, McCavity, there's no one like McCavity, for he's a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by-street, you may see him in the square, but when the crime's discovered, then McCavity's not there.
He's outwardly respectable.
I know, he cheats at cards,
and his footprints are not found in any files.
Angelicals can, Angelicals do. Angelicals do, Angelicals can. Angelicals can, Angelicals do. Angelicals do, Angelicals can. Angelicals can, Angelicals do.
Can you ride on a broomstick to places far distant?
Familiar with candle, with book and with bell.
Were you Whittington's friend?
The Pied Piper's assistant. Have you been an alumnus of heaven and hell?
Are you mean like a minx?
Are you lean like a lynx? Are you keen to be seen when you're smelling a rat?
Were you there when the pharaohs commissioned the Sphinx?
If you